This is the BMW R12000 GS. I'm going to talk about how I want this bike and how it will change the world. So the reason why I want it is because I want a bike. I want to learn how to ride a motorcycle. And so I'm already not gonna know how to steer it right, how to move through lanes. And so this motorcycle right here in the back of the bike, it has a GPS system. And so it'll help guide you and correct your steering from when you're driving this motorcycle. And so the reason why I think it'll change the world is because it'll prevent a lot of crashes from car and motorcycle collisions. And so it's very helpful because it'll it'll stop itself if there's an obstacle in front of it. Say like the newer cars with the sensors and stuff. And so this is why I really want it. And it also uh, does GPS tracking so that it'll see what's around its perimeter of the bike, and so that it's just a really good bike too. And so it has no gyroscope to help balance the bike. It's just a regular bike with all this technology to help it move by itself. And so that's why I really want it, so I can learn and per and go from learning how to ride a bike. That's that's really why I want the bike and why I chose this project to see how it will change the world. Thank you.